In today's video, I'm going to be using the most hated weapons in the game. So, let's get right into it. So I picked out what I think is the most hated weapons, and I picked revolver, auto shotgun for sure, and Uzi. I'm going to go into team deathmatch, and I'm going to see what reactions I get. So, let's go. Right now, and let's see how this one goes. Oh, around a lot this video.
I think I'll try to get more water on my life to heal.
Holy bad aim. That was only 2 shots right there. That one's dead. Let's go. Alright, let's... Oh, okay. 1 kill warning. It's... I don't know. Okay, it's not... Auto shotgun's not doing that bad. Ain't no way, bro. I thought he was low. No one has really said anything about my loadout yet. There we go. Oh shoot, why am I shooting? He's almost dead. No! I'm dead. He's almost dead! No! Might work. Definitely have to... Someone just said whoever's using the auto shotgun is terrible. There we go. Might work. Alright, I'm getting a little bit better right now because I'm warming up. Alright, we just got the burst. I almost got him. Almost. Might work. Let's go.
Why did I fall over here? Get him, Mr. Bad Boy, get him!
Alright.
Dang it!
6 kills right now.
Bro, I need sword kills. Let me just, teammates, let me have sword kills, please. Just let me have sword kills, bro. Let me have sword kills.
Alright, we got 7 and we died 11 times. I actually died the most, but I mean, it's all good. I think it's because I took him to attack a lot. But that's that match complete. I might leave and join another one because same people. So I'll be right back in a new match. I might try something a little bit different this time. I might do 3rd-person view just for a little bit, like maybe a match. And actually, Sodak's in my lobby right now, which is actually kind of surprising because I didn't even join him. But let's get into this match. Okay, this is the first time I've ever did 1st-person video. It's not gonna be for the rest of the video. I just want to see how it looks. Because I might start doing it a little bit, just not all the time. Alright, we're rushing in on them. Let's see where they're at. There we go. Yeah, this loadout's actually really good. I might use it in doing duels until I level up video. Ah, shoot. I ran out of ammo and all those. Someone just said big sword, and that kind of reminded me, like, that's like one of the most hated. That's also one of like the most hated weapons in the game. But comment down below what you guys think of this loadout.
Titanosaur.
Well, the loadout and the third-person view, because I might start doing it a little bit more. So annoying. I'm just spamming auto shotgun. Shoot, I ran out of bullets. There we go. I'm definitely getting a little bit better at this game.
Stop using big It's genuinely so violent. Like the thing, and why are you telling them to stop using it? Why are you telling them to stop using it if it's so violent? All you do is just swing your hand out and open. Well, then that would be good if they're using it.
There we go.
Long-range weapon.
Oh, I actually do know what they mean by how annoying this big sword is.
They got it.
No! There we go. Only one thing if I could play this good in duels. God, this is like the best I've ever cooked in Team Deathmatch. Like, I'm locked in.
Oh my god!
So far, no one said anything, but I'm gonna go into capture the flag after this match is over. No, bro. Alright, I somehow only got 4 kills. Not even that much damage. But I'm gonna go into team death. I'm gonna go into capture the flag, and let's see how that goes. Cause a lot of those kids are a little bit more toxic, I feel like, in my opinion. So let's get into it. So last match, there really wasn't anyone who really noticed me using auto shotgun. Holy buns, bro. Someone just said, no way, bro, spamming revolver. They just gotta let me warm up to capture the flag. Don't really play it that much. Either just do duels, team deathmatch, or literally just get on to make a video and then hop right off. There we go.
We're not going to be able to.
See, I told you, bro. Like all these, even though he wasn't necessarily being like toxic, they're just like literally the first time I killed someone in this match, they're like saying like, no way bro, spamming revolver. Yo, is it just me or does Uzi kind of sound different? Okay, yep, there's definitely way more people who noticed. Might work.
What the hell even is that gun?
Someone just said, what the hell even is that gun? No, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't even blame these kids for saying, like, auto shotgun this, auto shotgun that. Like, it is a really annoying gun, and that's why I'm using it today. Alright, this time this match we're actually gonna try capturing the flag. Because I've been getting really close and then like, well actually that's not even, I just want to see how the kids react to this loadout. No! I don't even know if he was being sarcastic. I swear, some of these kids like fake their little 5-year-old voice, bro. I feel like all of them do. It's either that or this game is just really filled with that much little kids. There we go. Just be oh, it ended once I was trying to go over there. That might just be it for the video just because of like time. But I don't know. I might do one more match. So I decided I'm doing one more match and I'm gonna do it in first person this time. So grab the flag. Oh. I never even seen that before. It's kind of in a hidden spot. Oh shoot. I hate whenever that happens. There we go. Alright, let's be quick because one of them is already knows I'm coming over here. Oh, my team has the enemy flag. Oh, over there. Let's go. Go get it! Let's go!
He's getting the flag, come on, bro.
How did he just hear me? No. How did he just hear me? Just look, I'm muted. Bro, can you hear me? I don't think they can. But yeah, why am I on blue team right now, bro? Nah, bro, sometimes in the lobbies it would be, no, it's most of the time. There we go. Alright, seems like we're rushing. Let's just fill up real quick. On bullets. Are they arguing right now, bro? Alright, I'm actually like really sneaky right now. Hopefully I can catch this flag. Shoot. Alright. Dang, I should have just started moving more.
Wow.
It's a little bit laggy, I feel like.
Come on, guys. North Coast. Yeah, you spam them.
They're camping over here. I low-key like this loadout. I'm gonna try leveling up these guns. I almost got him. It's all good though. So I'm thinking about doing a, if I don't already have the part 4 posted, or no, part 3 of doing duels, I'll definitely, it'll probably definitely be like today or tomorrow. It's gonna be out sometime. I'm gonna level up really soon, and I might do it like 5 matches to where it's long. That first video I did, the quality looks pretty good. It just took way too long. It was 12:30 on a school night. There we go. I love revolver so much. Gotta start using it. Oh, they're spawning. They're about to start just camping. Overall in this video, I low-key think not even that much people have said anything about this loadout. And I use auto shotgun in that stuff a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. 5 people kill me. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Somebody get an RPG out. Actually, somebody get an RPG out.
The enemy has your flag.
No. I gotta go get him.
Tickle that guy's butt.
Bro, did you guys just hear that? Nah, bro.
Okay, boys.
These kids are weird.
The flag has been moved. We must stay in its material and make sure it does not get stolen again. You understand?
This video might not get a lot of views, but it's just cool to like rewatch my videos that I made by myself. This one might be a little bit long. I'm thinking about cutting some of it out just for how long it's looking to be.
Every single time, it should be a head tap. It's not.
Hold up, wait, how much? Ain't no way I have 3 kills. Oh, I have 6. Thought I thought I seen 6. I mean 3. I'm not even doing that bad with this loadout. Once again, I low-key like this loadout a lot. That kid just seen me. I seen that. What do you guys think of them taking out Frostblock? Do you think it's a good like trade? This kid's pretty good for like looking pretty new. I think he is new, but he's not doing that bad.
I don't think so.
Oh, there's a lot. Oh, we still have a long time till this ends. Might just end it now because this capture the flag is taking a long time. Bam. Come on. There we go. Alright, I think that's about it for capture the flag today. We did pretty good, actually. How much kills did we get? Just, yeah, I'm reading it backwards right now, so. Monk. Oh, that's me right there. 7 kills. I'm gonna be completely honest. I thought more people would react to that loadout, but I guess they didn't. But make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below any other long form ideas. And like and subscribe.